Hi everyone, welcome to today's drill. Today let's practice a few common sentences that we use at school. Are you ready for that? Okay, here's the first one. What is the homework for today? What is the homework for today? Come on, don't just watch. You have to see the screen and repeat it with me, okay? What is the homework for today? Well done, well done. Let's expand it a bit, okay? What is the homework for today? I need to write it down. What's the homework for today? I need to write it down. What's the homework for today? I need to write it down.